today's video, I will show you how Whatnot giveaways work and exactly how you can increase your chances of winning. Watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. Whatnot is a live shopping app for collectibles like trading cards, sneakers, and more. Giveaways are free items that sellers give away during their live stream to engage viewers and say thanks. So, winners are picked randomly, sellers cover shipping, no cash prizes are allowed, but collectible currency is fine. All giveaways follow local laws and sellers post clear rules. So, there are two main types: standard giveaways and buyer appreciation giveaways. In standard, you are open to anyone watching, no purchase required, and in buyer only for people who buy during the stream. Available in the US and Canada, and free entry is possible via a website from once the giveaway starts. So to participate, you will need Whatnot mobile app. Desktop entry is not allowed. Make sure your profile has shipping address, payment information if needed. For standard giveaways, join the live stream, tap enter giveaway when the pinned giveaway appears. Wait for the random draw, usually within 5 minutes. And for buyer appreciation giveaways, make a purchase or use the free entry form. Winners are notified via email and app notification, so respond fast. Sellers set up giveaways directly in the Whatnot app. So list the item and add clear rules. Start live stream, pin the giveaway during the show, run it for up to 5 minutes, pick a random winner using the Whatnot tool, and ship the prize within few days. While giveaways are random, here are some ways to boost your chances. Follow sellers and turn on notification, join streams early and be active in the chat. Enter multiple giveaways daily. Do not use multiple accounts. This is against the rules and can get you banned. So that's everything you need to know about Whatnot giveaways. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.